Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm a business coach, a photographer, and I've owned a creative business for the past 8 years. I am here now on Skillshare to teach you some of the things that I've learned along the way. Today, I am sharing with you how to take photos using the Flatlay Photography technique. Through this class, you'll be able to take flat lay photos of your artwork that you can share with the world, whether that be on social media like Instagram or Facebook, or whether you want to just take photos for your website or for your product shop. Flatlay photography is a fun and unique way to take photos. It's not necessarily the only way that you can take photos, but it's a fun way that you can share your artwork with the world. I love that you can share also your creative process by using this photography technique. If you've wondered how to take these types of photos in the past, or if you're simply looking for a new way to take photos that's fun and creative, then this class is for you. This class is geared towards daring beginners who are willing to stretch themselves a little bit, and also for those who have intermediate photo skills. You do not have to have a DSLR or fancy camera, but if you do have one, that's a bonus. If you only have an iPhone or another type of smartphone, then you can still take this class. In this class, you're going to learn the setup and lighting, you're going to learn more about props and placement for flat lay photography, and I'm going to share with you a bunch of examples of flat lay photos that I've taken. So you're going to learn the process that I go through to take flat lay photos for myself as well as for others. I'm excited for you to join me in this class, and I can't wait to see the flat lay photos that you take. Let's begin.